Hey everybody, sorry for the lengthy delay. It's 1:44 and just turned 8 seconds on October 12th. This is the drawing for the Wolverine 1, the 8.5 slab, the raw copy of number 1, the issue number 10, and the issue number 80. Again, sorry for the delay. I thought this was going to close a lot quicker than it did. I had an appointment. I ran to the appointment and it closed while I was at the appointment, so I was not in front of a computer to get this run for you guys. So over here are the 9 filled spots. Let's quickly roll the 3 dice. Number is lucky 7 for somebody. And away we go. These will ship on Monday. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here's the final one. 7, spot 8, Will Lehman. Congratulations, Will. You just won one earlier this morning, the Secret Wars lot. Wow, you're on a roll there, pal. It's 145 and 6.